Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Chem Corona. In this video, we are going to discuss diphenylmethane, its methods of synthesis, reactions and uses. So, diphenylmethane belongs to isolated polynuclear hydrocarbons. The polynuclear hydrocarbons in which two or more benzene rings involved in the system are separated by at least one single bond are called as isolated polynuclear hydrocarbons. So, we can see the structure of diphenylmethane wherein two phenyl rings they are separated by a methylene group. Let us see the properties of diphenylmethane. Diphenylmethane is a colorless oil having aromatic odor. It is soluble in ethanol, ether, benzene and chloroform. It is an isolated benzenoid polynuclear hydrocarbon. Let us see the various methods of preparation of diphenylmethane. Diphenylmethane possesses a methylene group which is surrounded by two phenyl groups. It can be prepared by following methods. The first method for preparation of diphenylmethane is by Friedel-Crafts reaction. By Friedel-Crafts reaction, we can prepare diphenylmethane using benzyl chloride as the starting material, wherein in this method benzyl chloride is condensed with benzene in presence of Lewis acid, that is AlCl3, to give diphenylmethane as the end product. The second method of preparation is from benzophenone. By carrying out reduction of benzophenone in presence of ZnHg and HCl and lithium aluminium chloride as a catalyst, we can obtain diphenylmethane. The third method includes from Grignard reagent. Diphenylmethane can be prepared by treating phenyl magnesium bromide with benzyl chloride. By reacting these two reagents, we get diphenylmethane as the end product. Now let us see the various reactions of diphenylmethane. Diphenylmethane undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions. The first reaction is nitration reaction. In diphenylmethane, the benzyl group is ortho and para directing. Hence, on nitration of diphenylmethane, we get a 4 substituted product. Let us see the reaction. Diphenyl methane on nitration gives two products, that is diphenyl nitro derivative. You can see here, we can see the two nitro groups, they are substituted at the fourth position. The second reaction is chlorination reaction. Diphenylmethane on chlorination in presence of Fe as a catalyst gives 4,4-dichloro-diphenylmethane. That means again the chlorine group is substituted at fourth position of the phenyl ring. The third reaction is oxidation reaction. Diphenylmethane on oxidation with oxidizing agent like CrO3 gives benzophenone. In the reaction we can see here diphenylmethane on treatment with chromium trioxide gives benzophenone as the product. Lastly, the cyclization reaction of diphenylmethane. Diphenylmethane gets converted to fluorine by passing through red hot iron tube. This fluorine is used to make dyes, plastics and pesticides. Medicinal uses of diphenylmethane includes It is used in the synthesis of acetaminophen. Acetaminophen is a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. It is also used in synthesis of dyes like auramine, O and G. Diphenylmethane is also used in synthesis of tamoxifen. Tamoxifen is an anti-cancer agent which is used for treatment of breast cancers. Various intermediates like benzophenone, diphenylcarbinol, and fluorine can be prepared by using diphenylmethane. Thank you for patient listening and happy learning. Like, share and subscribe my channel Chem Corona.